Exit the system. This operation is used to exit the system. At that time, the screen goes blank. To restart the system after exiting the system, you need to power off first and power on. To exit the system, do the following. To enter the menu interface, press Menu. To enter the interface of System Maintenance, select 7, System Upkeep, by pressing down or up and press OK. To exit the system, select 7, Exit, by pressing down or up and press OK.
Sure to exit from system. Press OK.
At that time, the screen goes blank. Power off first and power on.